Huncho. Go dumb, go stupid. Break it down like a blueprint. Drop my top, cut the ceiling out. Second bop, knock it out. Looking like money now. Still go when the sun down. You know what you're talking about. I don't need know what you're talking about. I don't need know what you're talking about. I don't need know what you're talking about. Vibe on my line, she calling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Unique, aka I am Goddess Gold, and I am doing another synthetic wig review. And this wig is on this beautiful bob called Juba. Before we get into this video, can you please hit that subscribe for me, please, and give this video a thumbs up because I know you guys are gonna like it. It is an affordable wig, so please give us a thumbs up so I can continue to do more. And follow me on Instagram at I am Goddess Gold. Thank you so much. So let's get into this wig review. So I have this wig. It is called Juba. It's MBLF90 Juba, and I have it in the color 1B, and it's a human hair blend. So it has 5% human hair and 95% synthetic fiber. So it has somewhat of human hair fibers in it, but it's pretty much a synthetic wig. So let's get into the construction of the wig. It came with lace. I will insert a part in the video where I show you guys the lace, what it came with. And this wig has a nice part. It is very, like, it goes really long. I love the part. It came out just like this. I didn't pluck it or anything like that. Cap construction is really good on this wig. I feel like it will be big head friendly. The only thing is that I feel like I have a small head. It fits snug, but I feel like it makes my back of my hair a little bit big. So keep that in mind. If you got a big head, you may want to adjust the adjustable straps. And it doesn't include any combs. So I know that for some people that might be a con for them. So if you do not like wigs with no combs, this wig may not be for you. Or you can add some bobby pins to secure any size that you feel kind of loose. Pros and the cons of this wig. I love this color of this wig. It's a 1B, it's off black. I think it's a pretty color. I didn't do anything to the parting, so all I did was put some powder in there, make it look good, nice, cute, sleek, all that kind of thing. All I had to do was add some baby hairs. So it's very quick, low maintenance type of bob wig. I feel like this wig is really good for fall styles look. I think it's good for fall and winter. It's a really nice wig to wear out, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this in fall. The pros of this wig is I just love the parting. The parting is amazing. It looks like so natural. It looks so pretty. You can only wear this wig in the middle, obviously. The other pro I think of this wig is I like how, like, when you brush it out, like if I take a brush, it goes back to its curl, so I like that. No tangling yet, so I actually think that I'm not going to get a lot of tangling with this wig, so I'm going to love that. Let's get into the cons of this wig. The cons is that it sheds a lot. At first, when I cut the lace off the wig, I experienced some shedding, which is to be expected. I don't ding a wig off because, like, that wigs shed when you cut off the lace. But when I started brushing it, it just started shedding like clumps. And that might be a con for a lot of people because I don't like a lot of shedding. I like it to be minimum, and it did shed a lot. But there's no like cons to that, as in density. It does retain its density. It's very full, so you're not losing any density of the wig. It's just shedding, and I don't really like shedding. Also on this wig, it has a lot of flyaways. I'm always constantly have to put my hair back and kind of make it look good and stuff so I can keep all the flyaways out of my face. So that's also a con for me. But I think you can fix that with a little bit of hairspray, spray around the perimeter. I think it should be great. Other than that, I love this wig. It looks so pretty and it's nice. I bought this off of Sans Beauty's website, and I will include the link to the wig in the description box, and I will include the price. I always forget the price of this wig, so I will be able to include that down there. And yeah, I love this wig, and it's very affordable. So, and I pay with my own coins, so you know, it looks good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. So make sure you do that, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Peace.